Part 2, Crop Production and Management. Topic, Agricultural Practices.
So looking at the agricultural practices, these are the various steps of farming. First you need to prepare the soil, then you sow the seeds, obviously take care of them, add manures and fertilizers. Water being such an essential part, you provide for it by way of irrigation. Plants need to be cared for, so you need to de-weed them because small other crops and plants can also come up. So that's called as weeding. And when the crop is ready, you harvest it. And then sometimes some grain needs to be separated out, so you thresh them. That's called as threshing. And then there's the storage, because then you want to protect it from pests and the weather.
Preparation of the soil, we'll look into detail. First, we need to loosen the soil for aeration for the roots, and then we need to put some minerals by fertilizers or manures, or also have to take care of the soil by putting pesticides, but we'll look into that afterwards. We need to put in some earthworms, which are also called as farmers' best friends, and there is some humus which the earthworms make. It is a dark colored substance, and it is actually made up of dead and decayed organic matter.
The plow, one of the farmer's most ancient tools. It helps in loosening of the soil, and this is how the construction is, which you can see on the diagram. And at one end of the shaft obviously is the handle, and the other one is the plow share. This is at times done manually or usually led by horses, donkeys or bulls.
Hoe. A hoe is a device which is used for removing weeds and also loosening the soil in some cases. It is a strong, broad, and bent plate of iron which is fixed to one of the wooden rod's ends, or it can also be an iron rod, and this device is called as a hoe.
And this is how the traditional seed drill looks like. It's a funnel shaped device with two or three pipes that have sharp ends that touch the ground on one side. They pierce the soil, and that's how seeds are sown. Imagine if one did not have this equipment, one would actually have to walk along the tilled land and then cast seeds. So, this is much helpful.
Sowing. Sowing is one of the most important parts of cultivating crops. First, the farmers have to look for healthy seeds and the seeds which have higher yield, of course, and they sow these seeds in tractors or in small scale farms. They also sow them by hand. The workers are hired, or in some places, the farmers or alone do all the work, or his family helps him.
And now we are looking at the mechanized seed drill. So this is how it looks on the right side. Just to ensure that all the seeds are sown at an equal distance and also same height. And sowing seeds into the soil ensures that they are protected from birds.
Thank you so much. We will see you in the third part where we will talk about some more agricultural practices. Thank you.
Thanks.